Welcome. In this video I will show you how to debloat your Redmi 17 and improve this device's performance. So let's start with some minor things. Let's go to devices settings, and first of all let's check about phone. Find the OS version and tap on it 7 times until you become a developer. Enter your password. Okay, now let's forget about it for a moment. We're gonna need it later. Now what we need is to go to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. Enter your password here once again, then go to privacy menu, open it, and here we're looking for ad services. Okay, go right here and disable personalized ads. This will ease things for us a little bit. Also, you can optionally disable usage and diagnostics in the respective menu. After that, let's scroll down to privacy, open privacy. So we have to scroll down to privacy in the main settings menu. In privacy, we have to find ads section. These are the Google ads. Reset advertising ID and delete it. Okay. And now let's get to the debloating itself. So what we're gonna need to do is go to additional settings, find our developer options right here, and then we're gonna have to find one specific feature here, which is called Wireless Debugging, right here in the debugging. So let's enable it. Tap OK, and now we're gonna have to install 2 additional applications. We're gonna delete them as well after it's all finished. So the first one is called Shizuku. It's available on Google Play Store. Just search for Shizuku, install it, and we're also gonna need a Kanta developer, Kanta Debloater. So let's search for Kanta, install the Debloater. Now let's search for Shizuku application on our homepage. Open it. Okay, so now we're gonna have to pair Shizuku with our phone. To do that, let's tap pairing. Okay, now let's go to notifications options, switch them on. Okay, now let's go to developer options and let's reopen our wireless debugging. Okay, now let's select pair our device with pairing code. Tap enter pairing code at the top, then enter the pairing code from here. Okay, so Shizuku is paired. That's it. Now we can go back in Shizuku and tap start. So once you see that Shizuku is running, that means that we can start debloating. Also, although as you can see, we have some specific notification for this phone, which basically needs us to require to restart Shizuku in case will not be able to run the Kanta right away. But let's try by running Kanta first. Tap proceed. Okay, and now we can select the recommended apps we have here, although be aware that not all the recommended apps are not needed. For example, if you'd like to have AI subtitles on your phone, you don't have to delete this app. But basically right now we have to delete all the apps that are both recommended and you are pretty sure that you don't need them. This way you'll debloat your phone from unnecessary apps. So I'm gonna take my time here and I'm gonna show you the results after that. Okay, so I found a bunch of different applications. I could have selected more of them on the list. As you can see, we have more apps recommended here. You can also learn more about the thing you want to delete in order to make sure whether you have to delete it or not. And once you are ready to do so, just tap right here. Okay, now let's as you can see, we cannot grant the permission to Shizuku, so we're gonna have to restart the Shizuku. Or maybe we actually don't have to do this. Instead, make sure to go to System, scroll down to Additional Settings, then scroll down to Developer Options, select them, and then select USB Debugging, and make sure to enable it. You're also going to have to confirm your choice, and you're going to need 10 seconds to think about it before you can click OK. But once you do that, go back to Settings, then go to Apps and search for your Kanta application. Open it, then go to App Permissions. Now we'll see that it needs one additional permission. Let's select Shizuku and allow. Now that Shizuku is allowed, let's return back to Kanta. And it seems to me that we're gonna have to select these applications once again. So give me a moment once again. And also a little step before you try to uninstall your apps. Try to restart your Shizuku after giving your Debloater permission to use Shizuku. Restart it once again by tapping Start within this application, and then also go to Recents and restart your Kanta as well. And then check by selecting one application and tapping Delete, check whether you see this window. Okay, so once we have selected all the apps, let's delete them. Okay, and now we have gotten rid of a bunch of applications that have been using our device's background. So besides, we can also tap the three-dot icon. No, we can tap the filter icon and disable only system. And check for other applications that we might not need on our device, like Blockblast, Block Puzzle Guardian, etc. And this way I have found 17 more apps that we absolutely do not need. Okay, 18 more apps that we absolutely do not need, which are these ones. And now we just tap delete and uninstall these apps as well. Now after you are finished, also delete the rest of the apps that this app didn't detect. For example, Copilot, for some reason we have it here. Okay, maybe it didn't delete everything right away, or maybe I just accidentally left FM radio. Okay, so after I eventually found all the applications that I absolutely didn't need in Kanta, we can delete these applications as well. So we can hold our finger on Shizuku, tap information icon, scroll down, select uninstall, and then say farewell to Kanta as well. Lastly, let's get back to settings. Let's scroll down to additional settings and let's go to developer options, disable USB debugging, and disable wireless debugging. Also, forget Shizuku. And that's it. So now we have successfully debloated our smartphone, and it will start working much faster and much better now. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.